We'll guide you through how to use Zapier with Squarespace to automate your workflows and enhance your website's functionality. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Zapier.com and sign up for an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button at the top right of the page. You'll be presented with an option to choose a trigger app. In the search bar, type Squarespace and select it. Now, you need to choose a trigger event. For example, if you want to automate actions when you receive a new form submission on Squarespace, select New Form Submission and click Continue. Next, you'll need to connect your Squarespace account to Zapier. Click on Sign in to Squarespace and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. After successfully connecting, you can test the trigger to ensure everything is working fine. Now it's time to set up the action. Click on the Action section and choose an app where you want the data to go. Let's say you want to automatically add new form submissions to a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose the action event like Create Spreadsheet Row and click Continue. You'll then need to connect your Google account if you haven't done so already. Once connected, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to populate. You'll see options to map data from your Squarespace form to the columns in your Google Sheet. Match the fields accordingly and click Continue. Zapier will then prompt you to test the action to make sure the data is transferring correctly. If all looks good, click on Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap is now live and will automatically handle the task whenever the trigger event occurs. This setup can save you time and reduce manual data entry. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.